Entertainer's dream. Opportunity to live in highly sought-after Autumn Ridge West/community pool. Low maintenance on corner lot and cul-de-sac. Executive style home. Architectural elements include coffered ceilings, built-ins, 5 3/4 baseboards, crown, tray ceilings, built-in drop zone near 3-car garage with overhead storage. Custom back courtyard west/stone counters, bar area, built-in gas grill, uplighting and much more. Move-in ready. HDWDS on majority of first floor, separate dining room, eating kitchen with granite, stainless steel appliances, double oven, and ample storage throughout. Huge bonus room. Prim Bathroom newly retiled, you'd be first in. Curr zoned to new WILCO Elementary School-Amanda H North. Landscape west/